Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. This is your 5-minute tube update. Today we have October the 7th and we have a lot of things to talk about. So guys, 5 minutes, let's go. Here we are. This is CoinMarketCap. What's going on with Bitcoin? Bitcoin is going up with 5% in 24 hours. Really nice. And Ethereum is going up only 0.37%. And the Binance coin is going down a little bit, 2.6%. Okay. That's not so good. Bitcoin dominance is growing 44.4%, Ethereum dominance 18.3%. And we can see Bitcoin is going up in the week 24%. Really nice. Ethereum 18% in the plus and the Binance coin 15%. So it's for the moment better to trade Bitcoin as the altcoins. Bitcoin is growing more as the altcoins. Here is TradingView. What is telling us this one on the daily? We should buy Bitcoin on the summary. Moving average is strong buy. 4 hour buy Bitcoin, 2 hour buy Bitcoin, and 1 hour buy Bitcoin. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. So let's start with our daily analyze. You can see here the 1 hour time frame. Every candle here is 1 hour, and you can see this is the target, 60,000. This is the technical target for breaking out this triangle. And you can see it here on the right side. We broke our resistance to the upside with a really nice volume candle. Really nice. We broke 53,000 and now we are consolidating a little bit or going down a little bit. And we also broke out of this pattern here. You can see this, guys. So what is the next thing to accept? Yes, guys, let me check this. First of all, this is our support for the moment. It was a resistance. Now it is a support here. Support is on 53,000 and the next support on the downside is 50,265. Depends always where we will hit the line. This is also the middle line here, or 50,300. This is the middle line of this uptrend and this is the end of the downtrend. This is the upper line of the downtrend. So it's possible, it's really possible to go down here a little bit, to consolidate here a little bit, to take deep breaths for the next big pump to the upside. So maybe down to 50,300. We are here in this nice uptrend, you can see it. And the good thing is we broke this damn downtrend here. That's a really nice, good thing. It's really bullish for the moment, guys. Okay, let's zoom a little bit more and let me check some things here. 50,300 is the middle line. This is the support. 53,000 is the great support here. Let's check the EMA ribbon. What is going on with this one? And you can see EMA ribbon, nice support. For the moment, 52,000 is the last line or the first line of the ribbon band. So it is possible. Look at this on this pump here. We always saw a spike down to this. It's possible to touch again the ribbon band. It's possible to touch again 52,000 or, as I told you, 53, the big resistance or support, yes, or 50,000, the middle line. So now we are in a nice long position. You saw this long signal here since the breakout of this triangle and everything is working nice for the moment for Bitcoin. The big thing is if we can break up more and more, and I think, yes, we can, 58,000 maybe, a point about this is the next target and 60,300 is the technical target, as I told you. These are the targets for the next hours or the next days maybe. Let's watch the relative strength index and here, attention, 75 points. We are overbought. Here we saw 85 points. Now we are going down a little bit with the RSI. And we have a really interesting stuff, guys. We have a line from the downside to the upside. This is the support of the RSI. So we have some space to the downside. It's possible to go down here. 50,300. Why not? It's really possible. And watch the yellow line here on the downside, the EMA 200. This is also really low. The yellow line on the downside is about 46,500. This is also a really big support, but I hope we will not go down so deep. I hope we will go down a little bit and then the next pump to the upside, guys. Okay, the time is over 4 minutes. The time is, sorry guys, 5 minutes are really short, but I promise you 5 minutes. Let me check one thing before we end this video, guys. Let me check the candlestick patterns, where it is. Indicators and the candlestick patterns, and now you can watch this. This is really important, guys. If you are trading, we saw here a lot of bearish engulfings. Here we saw a bearish engulfing. It's a sign for downgoing Bitcoin price. Here also we saw it, and we saw an upgoing price. Here also an upgoing price. It's not always working 100% perfect, but for the most time, the signals are working nice, guys. So here the bearish engulfing, it's possible to go down here. I told you the targets. Let me watch the 1 day time frame. And you can see on the 1 day time frame, Sorry, let me check. Yes, here it is. On the 1-day time frame, we are also building now a bearish harami. 11 hours, 12 hours time to close these candles. But for the moment, it's a bearish one, and this is not good. Yes, we have a long position on the downside. We have here the ribbon band. Everything is good. We have a green ribbon band. Everything is working nice. On the downside, we have the RSI. Let's watch this. Last but not least, it's very important to watch this. Here, the RSI is not overbought at the moment on the daily, but we are here for the moment over this support line. We broke this resistance to the upside, and for the moment we are over this line. So guys, it's now important to stay over this support line, a little space to the downside, so maybe a little downgoing price here for Bitcoin, and then the next pump to the upside. We will see what's going on in the next few hours. It's a really, really amazing thing for the moment. It's very interesting to trade Bitcoin for the moment because it's so much volume here in the market, and we are going up, and this is really nice to trade, guys. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And thank you all for your supports, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this daily update. I would like to reach 1,000 thumbs up. I have 3, so there's not so much. I need only 997 for 1,000 thumbs up. Yes, guys. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings. Yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys.
System activated.